Hey guys and gals, how you doing today? This is Mr. Know-It-All. We're going to do some griddle cooking here on the black stone again. We're looking for around 400 degrees. We got 425. We're going to cook a really good meal here. First thing we're going to do is pour a little melted butter with garlic in it, and then we're going to add our zucchini. Alright, I had somebody ask me on the last food video we did, and they asked about how to clean the griddle. Real simple. Once you're done cooking, just have a bottle of water out there, pour about a half a cup to a quarter cup, somewhere in that range, on the grill, and take your paper towel and wipe it. That's it. And push the fragments to the back corner where the tray is, the back section there. You see where the hole is by the last zucchini. Take and push all that there, and then take your oil, whatever oil you're using, olive oil, whatever it may be, peanut oil. Put about 2 tablespoons to 4 tablespoons on the griddle and wipe it down with your paper towel, and it's ready for the next time you cook. Alright, here's where we add the Parmesan cheese. Yummy. And one thing with vegetables, you don't have to overcook them. And your Brussels sprouts will stay together if you don't cut the end off when you cook them. The core. You cut that off when you eat them. Now here's our cod in butter and garlic with Louisiana breading. Julio will tell you where all the tools are located.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción del video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio, Cesar, Chavez, Rodriguez, Jorge, Johnson, Thompson. Salt and pepper, sea salt, and coarse pepper. And then we'll put a dab of butter on top before we flip them. Got to flip that one again. There it is, folks. Voila. Cod with Louisiana breading, Parmesan Brussels sprouts with garlic and butter, and then you got your zucchini browned beautifully with your butter and garlic. Now it's time to eat. Well, we got to try a bite just to see. Lord have mercy. That was so good. Basically, it's a carb-free diet, but we're not on a carb-free diet. We just happen to be by Joe Patty's, so we get the freshest cod, and the vegetables are going crazy down here in Florida. Hope this helps you. Get yourself a Blackstone. You'll be glad you did. Mr. Know-It-All